Ciao, I'm Chef Lingua Linguae, Chef Ling for short, and today we will be talking about a very juicy, delicious menu that you, your family, your friends, or even strangers will surely love. This menu is so simple yet so good. It is made up of 4 words. May I help you? Just offer it to anyone and their hearts will surely melt and they will feel very, very good. But enough talk. Let me show you how I serve this succulent menu that is, May I help you? Excuse me, may I help you? Yes, chef. Yes, of course, thank you. Thanks, chef. Did you see the wide smile on his face? A simple, may I help you made his day. That's how wonderful this menu is. Oh, watch this. Good day, chef. May I help you? Chef, are you sure? May I help you? Yes. Thank you, chef. Thank you. Thank you, chef. Now I can rest. You see how happy he was when offered help? That is the amazing result of this wonderful menu that is May I help you? Why don't you give it a try? Try it on your friends, your family, your mother, your father. But wait! Make sure you do it. When you offer help, you have to help. When you say it, you have to do it. Understand? Okay, perfect. Well, this has been your Chef Ling, and I'll see you again next time. Ciao.